The 2008 Element. The Honda Element. Fun, freedom, and flexibility from the inside out, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, rear wiper, heads-up display, power mirrors, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.